As we have already learned in our previous video how we can find the simple interest by using the formula I is equals to PIN. Now in this video we are going to learn how we can rearrange the formula. If we have been asked to find the principal or interest rate or the number of periods, then how we can rearrange the formula. So as we have already know that I is equals to PIN. Similarly, if we have been asked that find the principal amount, from this we know that principal amount is equals to I divided by small I n. And similarly, if we need to find the interest rate, which is equals to capital I over NP, and if we have been asked need to find the periods, which is the number of periods, that can be given as capital I over small I p. So in this way we can find everything. So here we know that I is equals to amount of interest paid in dollars, N is equals to number of periods for which the interest has been paid, P is the principal amount which need to be calculated in dollars. So principal amount of money invested or borrowed. Okay, so small I. Now what is small I in this one, which is the rate of interest for the same period as n, which is the number of periods. This is expressed as decimal. And also one more formula. We know that A is equals to P plus I. What is A? A is the account balance, which is also calculated in dollars. Now let's do the question. Suppose we have given that determine the rate of simple interest that would result in an initial investment of 8,000. So here 8,000 is the principal amount, growing to 9,480 in 5 years. Calculate the interest earned. Now here we need to calculate the interest earned. So capital I question mark and rate of simple interest. Okay, so N is 5 years, which is the number of periods. Principal amount, as I said, which is 8,000. So write principal amount $8,000 and interest rate we need to calculate. Okay, so now A, the total amount is given to us, which is 9,480. So use this formula. A is equals to P plus I. We know that. A is given to us, P is given to us. We can easily find capital I. So write 9,480 is equals to 8,000 plus capital I. Now I can be written as 9,480. Take away 8,000. When plus goes other side, it will become minus. You know that, yeah? So this is equals to 1,480. And now we know the formula I is equals to PIN. Put the value of I, P, N, and we can find small I. So which we have calculated? 1,480 is equals to 8,000 times small I we need to calculate times 5. The number of periods is given to us. So small I can be written as 1,480 divided by 8,000 times 5. So this is equals to 0.037. Now we need to convert this one. 0.037. We need to convert this in percentage because the percentage, the interest rate is always given to us in a percentage form. So convert to percent. What we can do? You need to multiply it by 100. So 0.037 times 100 gives you 37 divided by 1000. We can write this as times 100 because 3 decimal places. So 2 zeros will go, the 2 zeros at the top, numerator and denominator. So we will left with 3.7%, which is the interest rate. So in this way, by rearranging the formula, we can find anything. Just remember 2 top formulas.